Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Kevin, and hope you guys are having a fantastic day because you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Genshin Impact from mobile. So it's pretty simple to log in into Genshin Impact using your mobile. First, you just want to download Genshin Impact from a Play Store or App Store. After downloading it, you want to open it. And once you open Genshin Impact, it's going to ask you to enter your information so you guys can log in into your account. Once you're over here, basically you can enter the information once this thing opens up. But if the thing doesn't opens up in your screen, then basically you can click on this button. Once you click on this button, this login pop-up menu will appear. Once it appears, you want to enter the email address and password of your account. After entering the email address or username of your account and password, you want to click on login, and if the information you typed over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your account. And if you guys are not able to log in into your account, then basically the information you typed over here is incorrect. So make sure to type the correct information over here so you guys can log in into your account. And if you guys forgot the password of your account, you can always click on forgot password to recover the password of your account. And if you guys have not yet created yourself an account, you can click on register to register yourself. And if you guys created a Genshin Impact using other forms like Facebook, Twitter, then you can click on this little icon over here at the bottom to click on it and log in into your account. So these are the way on how you guys can log in into it. And for those people who do not know what Genshin Impact is, it's an online game. It's pretty fun. You can play it yourself if you guys want to, if you guys want to play. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys understand the video. If you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. For those people watching the video until the end, thanks for watching the video until the end. It's me, Kevin, signing out. Bye bye.